All right, there's Dodge number 1. Still got paint on it. How many decades has this been covered?
I've been here for 2.
2 decades? It's been here all the whole time?
Yeah.
Good. It's got a 95 tag on it under there. 95. I thought it was in the 80s I ran it last. Oh well. I got 2 keys to use. I don't remember the key fobs, so I'm guessing this is the one for this one. Looks like I've been working on it. Yeah. I've been working on it. There's no lock to it now. That means it takes a screwdriver, which I don't have with me. I didn't know I was supposed to take a screwdriver.
You need a screwdriver?
I need a screwdriver. Long one. So anyway, we just put a new cover under this thing. Looks like the tire went flat. Hey, somebody locked it. Let's see which key it takes to work this one. Yep, got the right one. Red upholstery. Oh, I bought a back seat for it. I got a back seat now. Didn't know I had a back seat. Doesn't smell too mildewy in here. Not bad. And my hot rod. The window cover still works. Yeah. Bucket seats still in here. Yeah, still got the shifter over there where it belongs. Good. Yeah, a little mildew in there, but not too bad. Nothing build up. Cover was working. Lock her up. There, we're good for another couple decades.
Pry bar too.
Pry bar ain't gonna help me any.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna take a pry bar to my car? Give me a break. Oh, she covered up my antenna. Oh, I still got the grill in it at least. There you go. The light on? Yeah, the light's on. Yeah, it looks pretty much like I left it. A little bit more surface rust up on top I don't remember having before, but other than that, it looks about the same as it did before. Original paint. Original butchered wheel wells by me. That big tire is clear now. Those aren't my big tires. Yeah. Good on this side. It's got the same rust in it always had. That's not a screwdriver.
Right there.
Yeah. I don't know if that'll work. Might work. Especially if I can see what I was doing. Yeah. Kind of a stupid wrench, doesn't work the way you want to go.
Oh. I'm sorry, I had set on ratchet.
Yeah, here, you hold that. I'm busy.
What am I doing?
Stand back, get out of the way. Can't see anything in there. Somewhere there's a hole. What the hell are you doing? Feel anything in here? There we go. Oh, there's the rest of the car.
Oh. Motor parts.
That's why the trunk's so heavy. Got a half a motor in here.
I knew that.
Yeah. These are parts off the other car.
Yeah, I knew one of them had parts in
Because
it.
this one still has the motor under it.
I knew one of them had a motor, the other one had motor parts.
This one has a blown out motor in it.
Yeah, this one's the one with all the parts in it. It's heavy.
Yeah. Look at it. Oh yeah, it's got the AC in there. It's got parts off all kinds of shit. I wonder it doesn't... Oh, it's still got suspension under here. I want to see how that rust repair stuff is working. Can't see in there to see it. Looks like I got a hound's tooth cover in here now. I don't remember having that in there. Yeah, that was add-ons. Yeah, I put a bunch of rust repair inside this trunk to stop rust. And also fix the rust that was in it. Still looks to be not rusty. Can't see it in there. Get in my way, but yeah, it looks like it's working. Yeah, about the same rust it always had. Yeah, there's a leak right there. Maybe. Yeah, this should have a motor in here somewhere. Bring her now. Yep. Oh no. Take that back. Looks like the junk in the trunk is from this motor. I thought I painted this one black. That must have been the other one. This one's still natural color. See, I had a rod knock.
You said the rod's off?
I had a rod knock.
Oh.
Had a knock in it.
That one.
Yeah. Didn't want to run. I had to tow it home back home. I didn't want to run anymore.
She didn't work here either.
Yeah, it did. It broke. That was a junkyard motor. It lasted a week.
What?
That was a junkyard motor. It lasted a week. It had a bad valve in it.
You didn't pay too much for it.
Or a bad rod. I paid too much because it was no good. So.
Oh my God, Carl had to fix a rod in the truck we drove out in Ohio.
Yeah.
That took a while to get that fucking free.
Yeah, this one's still.
Seemed like a week.
Yeah, I thought I painted this one all black in here. That was the other one.
Are you recording?
This one's still original. Yeah, I'm recording. Somebody was swearing on video. I don't know who that was. See, this is cut out for the real hood scoop here. I used a fake hood scoop there. Then I opened it up. They had a bolt in place to go in there. I opened it up, so now it's a real hood scoop. So. Dust!
Free.
Dust free. That's it. Okay, so the stuff in the trunk is actually stuff out of this car. At least for that junk motor. This is not the good exhaust, this is the junk stuff. Yeah, the original motor is out already. I got that though. Alright, I think we need to fluff the tires up a little bit.
Needs new tires.
And it's a good four-banger. It's in mileage mode. There you go. Good to go. Alright, time to cover up. What do we got for a new cover? Car cover. Where's this lock at? Oh, they gave you a comment. Oh, look at that. You paid extra.
I did.
This is a high-end model.
You want to know who it's buying, go get the receipt.
Oh, they'll figure it out. Carcover.com or
premium.
something. Carcover.com, wasn't it?
I don't know. What it is, it's okay.
That looks pretty good.
And the car cover comes with the cover, apparently.
So the last one's been on the car for a year. Up back, it's still good. So this must be the other one. All right. I'm gonna open this up and see what it is. There you go. What?
I hit a button.
What did you hit?
I don't know.
Is it still got a red? Is it still red or is it green?
I don't know.
Can't see. What button did you hit?
This one up top.
See how it says REC in red?
Okay.
I mean, it's still red. Now this is vacuum packed, so if you cut into here, you cut the cover.
Yeah.
You have to go up here in the corner and kill the vacuum.
Yeah, I know how it works, Keenan.
This tear is really good.
I had a knife.
Biodegradable cover.
Nice.
So this is the premium top of the line one, right?
Yep.
And we even got a little bow in here.
That's why you got all the fancy crap with it.
I didn't get a lock in mine. I probably threw it away if I did. I like locks.
No need.
supposed to be water resistant fruit, wasn't
Yeah, and I forgot how many years it was good for.
it?
I think
5 to 10.
it's a lifetime thing.
It's only good for one decade, ain't it much?
Still works better. Did you want to try and take some of that dirt off the car?
What dirt?
That free dust?
Car polish?
Okay. Did you want my help with that?
I don't know. Is there a front and back on this?
You-
Yeah, why don't you stand over there out of the way? One or the other. I don't see a mirror pocket there.
Oh, I grabbed this thing for it. Did you take it off? The plastic thing put on here? Oh, that's protect the cover. I knew that.
Piece of plastic on the window. All
I-
right, this is something. Oh,
Stuck. You want me to help you?
it's a hook.
Why were you tape recording this?
I'm showing my phone number.
Seriously?
I'm looking for the mirror pockets. They should be either here or over there. You'd think they'd mark a front or a rear on this damn thing.
No. It might cost extra.
Well, it's got this soft stuff in here for protecting the tank.
Yeah.
Good.
It's
Good.
fleece, I think.
Fleece, huh? Great.
Fleece or flannel.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, I'm hitting your buttons again.
Yeah, you're hitting buttons now.
It doesn't feel like I don't know what that is. It doesn't. And it's like 7 layers versus 5 layers
Oh,
of
that's good. I'm glad I
sun
got it
protection.
So the cat's clawing on it might possible. This is probably the front, but we'll find out.
Boom.
Oh, I think it fits either way.
There you go.
Oh, I got the size F.
Alright.
Yeah, must be the front one. I think I did it right. Using my camera, got it?
No, I put it down. I needed 2 hands.
Oh, this doesn't fit this car.
My left hand
It's
doesn't.
for this car. It's not made for a full. So what are you filming? You filming your house?
Yeah.
This doesn't fit this car.
You probably put it over too low.
Yeah, I want to go over the nose.
Can I stop this thing?
Why?
Because it's annoying me.
It's annoying me?
I can't help you. It's
Well, when you're filming that over there, and you're right here filming that, it doesn't help you any. All right, she don't want to film it. I don't think the cover's big enough. So we're gonna go over here and film. How about that? It's a great yard work. This tripod system sucks. Here you go. Nice. Try to do it. can't determine if it's on the front or back. I haven't determined yet if it's front or back. It's about 6 inches too short to go on here correctly. It's kind of on there. Just had to determine if that's the front or the back, because I can't tell the difference. Usually there's like mirror pockets that give you a hint, but oh well, that's what it looks like. There you go. Good to go for another decade or two. Okay, cover's on there. Crap in there. Can't even see the car, it's so far up. Take a picture of it for the... I think I got a picture, I can't tell. Alright, it's like a guitar string. It doesn't fit very well. Nice and tight. I flip it around the other way, it fits slightly better, but I don't know if it's correct or not. It's definitely real tight. Stretched. Stupid airplanes. Damn airplanes. Make noise. Alright, so it's a tight fit. It's a size F, which ain't big enough. Needs to be a bigger one. So, it's tight. Yeah, you push down, it might hit the car. Alright, there you go.